Bitcoin dropped sharply below $27,000. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission filed a lawsuit against Binance and its founder Changpeng Zhao. This news caught traders who bet on a price gain off guard and led to a liquidation of $39 million worth of long positions. The CFTC also called several cryptos, such as BTC, Ether, Litecoin, Tether on Binance USD, commodities. The drop in markets was not too severe, however, equity markets were mixed as investors weighed other news. This article explores the implications of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission's lawsuit against Binance and its founder Changpeng Zhao for the cryptocurrency market. The lawsuit sent Bitcoin plunging below $27,000, with the BTC-USD trading pair on the Coinbase exchange dropping to $26,525, its lowest point since March 17. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ether, BNB, and Litecoin, were also affected by the news, with BNB dropping by over 5%. In addition, crypto-related stocks such as Coinbase and Marathon Digital Holdings experienced a drop in share prices. The implications of the lawsuit are unclear and investors are still assessing the impact. Thus, it remains to be seen if the resistance at $29,000 to $32,000 will be broken, and if the break from a long-term bottoming formation is still in play. Shiba Inu has recently hit a new anti-record, with trading volume reaching its lowest point in months. This is due to decreased volatility of the asset and reduced market demand for riskier investments. XRP made a significant reversal after hitting a local top, registering a solid 12% price increase since bouncing off the 200-day moving average. This may have been caused by positive sentiment in the broader cryptocurrency market, as well as renewed interest from investors and strides made by Ripple in its legal battle with the SEC. Solana has recently witnessed a significant 40% price increase. However, it has since experienced a sharp correction, raising doubts about its long-term potential. It is essential for the Solana ecosystem to maintain its growth trajectory. Investor interest must be maintained in order to withstand market fluctuations and continue to thrive. This article provides an evaluation of the recent price action of three digital assets: Shiba Inu, XRP, and Solana. SHIB has recently hit an anti-record, with trading volume reaching its lowest point in months, due to decreasing volatility and the overall reduction in market demand for riskier investments. Meanwhile, XRP has made a significant reversal after hitting a local top, and is on the verge of a golden cross, which could potentially lead to a long-term trend reversal for the asset. Finally, Solana has experienced a sharp correction despite having witnessed a significant 40% price increase, raising questions about its long-term potential. However, the project's strong fundamentals and growing ecosystem may provide the necessary support for the asset to bounce back from the correction and continue its growth. The EOS Ethereum virtual machine feature has gone live on Tuesday and is housed within an EOS smart contract. It aims to offer high-speed transactions at cheap fees for users and developers. It also has plans to bolster decentralized finance development on the EOS network. An EVM token bridge is live and the native EOS tokens have remained nominally unchanged in the past 24 hours. This article discusses the launch of the EOS Ethereum virtual machine feature on Tuesday, and its implications for the EOS network. The EVM is a virtual computer utilized by developers for creating decentralized applications and decentralized finance applications, and is expected to offer high-speed transactions at cheap fees for users and developers. The EOS Foundation hopes that the deployment of the EVM will attract more developers and users to the EOS network, and bridge the gap between Ethereum and EOS. The EVM contract is available on EOSIO.IV and a token bridge on Bridge Testnet 2.Trust.1. The EOS native tokens have not seen any significant changes in the past 24 hours. XRP token surged 8% over the past 24 hours, reaching a 5-month high. This was likely due to fundamental upgrades in the XRP ledger network. The fact that the classification of major tokens as a commodity in the CFTC filing against Binance could mean XRP tokens were commodities too, not securities as alleged by the US SEC. Markets slumped after the CFTC filing. Bitcoin fell under $27,000, Ether dropped under $1,700, and overall market capitalization fell nearly 3%. However, some market observers found optimism in the fact that tokens mentioned in the CFTC filing were commodities and not securities. This article provides an overview of the recent surge in XRP tokens in light of a U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission filing against Binance. It details Ripple CTO David Schwartz's argument for XRP tokens as a commodity, and the impact that the Ripple v. SEC case could have on XRP's classification as a security. The article also looks at how the CFTC filing and market sentiment may have impacted Bitcoin, Ether and other cryptocurrencies. Overall, the article provides an informative overview of the market and legal implications of the CFTC filing against Binance. Flare Network, an ally of Ripple, is showing good signs of growth. It has had a 20.04% increase in price over the past 24 hours and a 32% upsurge in the past week. The Flare ecosystem is also growing rapidly with new protocols emerging to broaden the utility and reach of the protocol, such as Spend the Bits Incorporated. The network is also working to distribute its native digital currency to create a decentralized governance ecosystem. It is advancing in its bid to build applications that are interoperable with blockchains and the internet. This article is positive about the growth of Flare Network. It highlights the recent developments that have been taking place, such as the voting on a proposal to realign the smart contracts, the emergence of new protocols, and the ongoing proof of concept for integrating with Spend the Bits app. It also mentions the token airdrops as a way of distributing Flare's native currency, as well as its roadmap for sustained growth. Overall, this article paints a positive picture of Flare Network's future prospects. The ZeroSync Association is developing open-source software that uses zero-knowledge scalable transparent argument of knowledge validity proofs to generate ZK proofs for the Bitcoin network. This promises to revolutionize the process of verifying the Bitcoin blockchain. This software does not require consensus changes or additional trust assumptions, and is being built with the Cairo programming language. Lightning Labs is a contributing partner to the project. It intends to use the tool to power compressed transaction history proofs for its Taproot asset representation overlay protocol. This article provides an in-depth look at the development of ZeroSync's tooling, which allows users to validate the state of the Bitcoin network without having to download the blockchain or trust a third party for verification. ZeroSync is using zero-knowledge scalable transparent argument of knowledge validity proofs to generate ZK proofs for the Bitcoin network, which will revolutionize the process of verifying the Bitcoin blockchain. ZeroSync has partnered with Lightning Labs to use their tooling to power compressed transaction history proofs for the Taproot asset representation overlay protocol. This development shows the promise of ZK proofs for blockchain scalability and privacy, and has the potential to revolutionize the way people interact with the Bitcoin network. The most important point from this text is that a $4.4 billion move between Binance wallets on May 7, 2022, stands out as the most expensive crypto transaction by chain. Vitalik Buterin's massive 410 trillion Shiba Inu burn surpasses it. Additionally, the case of a $1 billion class action lawsuit filed against BitBoy, Crypto Armstrong and other crypto influencers is being closely watched. The court decision is expected in the next few weeks. Finally, Shiba Inu's burn rate has increased by 1,100% this week, which is expected to have a positive impact on the token's price. This article provides an overview of the recent developments in the crypto space, from the most expensive transactions to the Shiba Inu burn rate. Coinbase director Connor Grogan shared a list of the most impressive transfers he is aware of, with the Ethereum network's $4.4 billion move between Binance wallets on May 7, 2022 taking the top spot. Pro-Ripple lawyer John Deaton gave his opinion on the future of XRP's price depending on the outcome of the SEC lawsuit. YouTube blogger BitBoy Crypto Armstrong shared his views on the $1 billion class action lawsuit, while the Shiba Inu token's burn rate increased by an impressive 1,100%. All of these developments demonstrate the dynamism of the crypto industry and offer insight into future trends. The most important point from this text is that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission has sued Binance and its CEO Changpeng Zhao for allegedly violating derivatives laws in the U.S. Ripple CTO David Schwartz also suggested an unusual solution for the SEC and CFTC in order to share control over the crypto space. This article provides an interesting insight into the current legal situation surrounding Binance, with Ripple CTO David Schwartz providing a humorous commentary on the situation. Schwartz's suggestion that the SEC and CFTC should fight each other to gain control of the crypto space is an interesting and unconventional suggestion that could be explored further.